Hi, I'm Natasha. I go to Marion Center, and it is my third year in auto tech. And the reason I love auto tech so much is because I love working with my hands, and being able to take something apart and put it back together makes me super, super happy. I believe ninth graders should choose auto tech because if you also like working with your hands, this is the perfect program, and you learn a lot. I've went from knowing nothing about cars to knowing almost everything. I get deep in the car and I get to know the car and all different types of cars as well. So I love ICTC because the people here, the staff are super, super nice. I get to make new friends from all over the county. I also love it because I get to get more out into the community, especially when we have people bring in their car. Overall, ICTC is a really great experience. Even if you don't plan to go into any of these fields afterwards, even if you just do it as a hobby, I love it here. So